International Raceway, August 14th and 15th. Tickets available at all Cron Auto, Dayton's, and Lancer stores.
U100 Firefall and Livin' Ain't Livin' at Fun Lovin' Super U. It is 1:30. And we do present the Daily Double. Yes, Letters to McKay every night at 6:30. Oh, yeah, it's a sleeper. And Boogie Check at 10:30 with the Gunner. Fun Lovin' Super U, the station that Twin Cities made famous.
Feeling good every day, staying free. Fun Lovin' Super U.
Oh, I heard it through the grapevine, yeah. And I read it off your toes. That made that new wine all by yourself, did you? Help, I was just recently mooned out here while I try to get myself back together again. People keep driving by with their hanging out of their window. Why me? I'm only the token woman here. Boz Skaggs from his Silk Degrees album. And Low Down. Yes, their pants certainly were quite. Woo!
Baby's in the run around.
U100 150 was Mesa Kincaid, awaiting Garen's DeMaroni today at 2 p.m. And I have a song right off the request line, right on Super U, for a girl that called up and wanted to hear this song, Seals and Crofts Get Closer, for her very own pearly white teeth.
Darling, if you want me to be close to you.
From 1970, The Carpenters. KFMX weather for the Twin Cities, beautiful with a high...
Rosarita knows I need her way to cook. Rosarita knows I need her way.
It's 7:44.
More music. KFMX.
It's 3:45. This is Janician. Sergio Mendez and Brazil 66 with Fool on the Hill.
Stereo 104.
Sarah Smile. Here's Hall & Oates. There's Neil Diamond.
More music. KFMX.
Paul McCartney.
What's wrong with that? Every night and day.
Best of My Love from the Eagles. Chicago and Saturday in the Park. Good morning, it's 7:05.
Stereo 104.
How sweet it is to be loved by you.
I'll be with you night and day. Ooh, baby, I love you.
All new stereo KDWB. AM St. Paul, Minneapolis, FM Richfield, giving away $1,000 just about every day. 9:59. This is Bob Lang. KDWB, playing your favorite songs in stereo. Why don't you give me a call now? 738-8141. KDWB, Stereo FM 101 and AM 63. All new KDWB, Let There Be Music in Stereo. That's Orleans and Dance With Me and Bob Lang at 1017.
The brilliant.
One more win for the Golden Gophers. Minnesota 28, Washington State 14. If you hadn't heard, Minnesota over Washington State 28-14. Illinois beat Missouri 31-6. Wisconsin trumped North Dakota 45-9. Michigan did it to Stanford 51-0. We'll have more sports in about 8 minutes right here at WCCO-FM.
When you really need a car.
You drink at a grape. That's so nice.
The Spaghetti Emporium, a unique dining experience at 115 South 4th Street. And be sure to visit Zelda's upstairs.
Song by Glenn Campbell at WCCO-FM called Gentle on My Grapes. Well, isn't it?
It's knowing that your door is always open and your path is free to walk.
You heard it for yourself. Shock Electronics has proven once again the brightest, clearest sound, Magnum 100. Hurry to your Shock Electronics store.
Just like WCCO-FM, give you a little bit more. 17 and a half before 5, before the sports check. WCCO-FM, Dr. Hook.
When your body's had enough of me.
We'll be rooting for Muhammad Ali. That's in the title bout September 28th, but says Norton, it'll just make him meaner. Try to mellow this out for you a little bit, Ken. Everybody, it's Barry Manilow at CCO-FM. This one's for you.
This one'll never sell.
Check the North Stars tonight at 7:30. If you do your shopping at the Dales, this announcement from Dayton's will be of special interest to you. From now on, all Dayton stores at the Dales will be open Saturdays till 9:30 p.m. for your shopping convenience.
Get ready, Twin Cities.
It's 5 o'clock at WCCO-FM, Minneapolis, St. Paul. Carl Lindgren from the WCCO-FM News Bureau. Farm Fest 76 at Lake Crystal is in its last 2 days. Attendance yesterday, 79,800.
Instant Prince, the whiz of the printing biz.
15 Twin City locations. For the one nearest you, just pick up your phone and dial printer. WDGY with a super sunny day today, high about 50. Sunny now, 35 degrees, 922 DGY.
If you leave me now,
Ooh, mama, I just got to have your love.
WDGY, Gary Bridges, rock and roll trivia, and $100 bills at 10 this morning.
like the pine trees lining the winding road. Moving ahead till life won't pass me by.
7, 6, and 3.
Oh, you're a winner.
Oh,
What?
wow.
You're a winner. What number?
Wow.
You're a winner in the incredible contest, Veronica. Now all you got to tell me is which prize package number you want.
11.
Number 11.
The 5 carat.
Prize package number 11 is a shiny, sparkly, 5 carat diamond ring, and it's yours free from the Y.
Wonderful. Excuse me, I'm crying.
What's your favorite
favorite radio station? I guess you ought to tell us that.
WDGY.
Say it again.
WDGY.
Johnny Kane. And I have for you a $100 bill in a couple minutes. 9:34.
Well, that'll be the day when I
WDGY. Lovely Linda. 9:36. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready for this? I'll take caller 60 at 888-4444. And you know what I have for you? A $100 bill.
This is Dave Moore.
And Susan Spencer.
When you try an easier way to ski.
Wow. We're going to get Gary Bridges playing some rock and roll trivia with you this morning at 10. And he has $100 bills for you, too. 9:39.